And the next piece you'll need is this piece. We'll be a little sneaky and we'll fold it this way. They're pretty small, but they're important. Now fold it inward. Now set that aside and pull up this piece. This is how you need to fold it. Tra-la-la-la-la. Nice day. And once you put that in, make sure it stays there. Hold it if you want it. Now put this piece in. If it doesn't go in all the way, it's because there's something blocking it. Now, fold it. Ta-da! Now you'll need these marker stickers. You'll find it in a plastic bag. First, you'll need this one. And you put them like this. Make sure you put them very neatly and they don't go off the sides. They're very important. There's going to be 2 to wrap around both sides. And ta-da! This is done.